If that's not a reason to call the police, I don't know what is. Right, so I've had this microwave for a while. It's been taking up space because I haven't been using it. It's like a sparey, and it should work. It's just that the screen sort of doesn't work. So I've got some links. I know this stuff blows up. This one's full. This one's like half full. I got some butane, but it's explosive proof. I assume they're all like that, so we'll see how it goes. Might make fire, but probably won't explode. This should though. Alright, so everything has a chance of exploding. We've just put everything in there. I know that should explode. Yeah, hopefully the police don't get called. What do you reckon? I'll put it on for 10 minutes? I'll put it on for 10 minutes. Shit.
He's just hiding behind them.
Okay. Hiding behind this shed. I don't see any sparks. No smoke. See the light on, it's sort of illuminating the stuff inside.
Yeah, it makes it better. How loud does he get?
I don't really remember.
Oh, Joe's.
Pretty loud though.
So how does it normally work? I can just explode out of nowhere.
Yeah, we gotta wait for it to heat up. And we gotta hope the 10 minutes don't go off because we don't want to go near it.
Bro, 10 minutes goes off, it's just nothing got with this gas. Oh shit.
Yeah, we gotta put on a big fucking bomb suit so we can go put another 10 minutes
Open
on.
the door.
You hear that?
Yes, I heard that. Safety engaged.
Yeah, I got the safety glasses on.
I don't know what we heard.
Probably the tin's expanding. I hope the butane does something.
They just chill. They just relax there. And then they're unstable. You gotta spray it, it explodes. Yeah, I'm hearing more.
Imagine people walking by and they just see us.
Fucking kid gets impaled. Wait, it's all with the ambo. Ambo just drove past.
Oh yeah, they're over there.
Yeah.
The hospital's just across the road.
Someone's just walking past, they see us here, and then a giant explosion goes off. Slightly unsettling. See, everyone's just enjoying their Tuesday arvo. Completely unaware that there's a miniature bomb in this backyard.
Don't call it that, we'll get arrested.
This miniature bombing device.
Microwave experiment. Backyard science experiment.
Backyard science, break in the mail one time.
Oh,
Bad day that
we've got the getaway vehicle if we need it.
one. Get away from it.
We can abandon the property.
Just abandon the property.
Oh, yeah.
I swear I can hear sound. Oh, it looks like it's down to like 20 seconds maybe?
Yeah, I can't tell if that's a reflection or if I can actually see it in the seconds. Oh, it just went off.
Well then, what the fuck do we do?
I'll go in. I'll see what the inside looks like.
Mate, you going near it?
Yeah. There's sizzling. Oh, I smell the gas. I can smell the butane is definitely leaking. Oh, I'll go get some alfoil and like the electricity striking the alfoil should light up the butane. Could you please hold this and I'll go get some alfoil?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Balls of steel right now.
goes around the back.
Oh, I heard something. Oh, the link scanner's expanded.
It's not even standing upright anymore.
Oh, Longbottom is walking over the road. Oh no.
Imagine it explodes right now. Oh shit. The alfoil's zapping now. Oh.
Where's your glasses?
Oh shit! Oh shit! Holy shit. Josh, hose it, hose it. Hose it, Josh. Holy fuck.
Where's your glasses?
That door didn't stand a chance.
Holy fuck, dude.
I came out of fucking nowhere.
Holy fuck.
I have big regrets right now. That one, the stubborn piece of shit over there. Come on.
Dude, the fucking door blew off.
We should have done that in a remote area.
Dude, that was so fucking loud.
That hurt my ears, man.
Holy fuck.
Oh, I came out. Bro, that alfoil, man.
Next time we do that, we gotta do it in a remote area.
Yeah, bro, like. You came, paddock. Yeah, I think I'm sticking around for a bit. Can't. The butane came over here.
That's fucked, man.
Door. Has that one exploded?
I don't know.
That was
Fucking crazy. I hope no one comes after us.
Dude.
I think I stopped recording out of fear, dude.
Out of fear.
I hope I got something, but holy shit.
I was behind the car and you're like, fucking hose it down! Like shit!
I'm sorry for doing. I was over there and I didn't want to like run through there to get it.
Josh, hose it! Oh.
That's fucked, man.
Sorry, Asian neighbours.
I don't. They go on my holiday.
Oh, it's all good then.
Oh my god, I'm sorry for stopping recording, but that fire went like over the roof. That was fucking crazy. My neighbours are gonna love that.
Oh, the micro fuck. Yeah, you've got to close the door.
Oh, bro.
That's where we went wrong. Oh no, that one, yeah, the top of that's gone.
I think it probably leaked. It was just
It smells nice.
it was a chain reaction.
Holy fucking shit. Another microwave down. Greasy thing. Wow. There goes the evidence. And just like that, the evidence is gone.